returning, and hey to my new subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. So today I have a wig install for y'all. As you can tell, you probably can't even tell, this is so natural. I think I've always wanted this style. I couldn't get it for various reasons, but I love this style and I'm so excited to like install the wig. I do have a unboxing up, so if you guys want to check that out, and I will have the review soon after this. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias, and let's get into the video. Y'all, do you see this? This looks so cute already. Like, this looks so cute, and I'm super excited to put it on. Yeah, this looks so cute. Okay, let me get back to the install. This is so cute. I can't. So cute. Let me know what y'all think about the baby hair, because in the pictures that I've seen, they don't have baby hair, but I didn't want to like cut it all off, because if I cut it off, I'm not gonna get it back. And yeah, so tell me what you guys think. I like the baby hair. I think it's super cute. So that was it for the video. Thank you guys so much for staying and watching. I will have the review up soon, and if you haven't seen the unboxing, go ahead and look at that. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on my social medias as well. If you have any questions about the hair, leave them down in the comment section and I will be happy to answer you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, would you buy this wig? Like, do you actually like it? Does it actually look a little bit natural? Like, let me know your thoughts. please and thank you. Love y'all and see you in my next video.